Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to duplicate a page in WordPress. So first of all, it's very easy, and most people duplicate a page to sample them out. Like if I want to edit a page, you know before going in and editing them out, and if you don't want to change anything, obviously you need to create a copy of it and work on that. So that's why mostly people create a duplicate page, but most of the people are like using the generic way to duplicate the page. So how you can do that, like there are multiple ways which you can do, and the first one is obviously go to pages, and obviously what are you going to do? You're going to click on this, and let's just say I'm just going to open this up. So edit, and if you want to add new page, you can also do that. Let me go back again, and I'm just going to open new, and I'm just going to open this on new. So wait for it, and you can see over here, this is my new page. And what most people do, they just need to, if I want to edit my about page, I'll go there and I'm just gonna copy every single thing like this, and I'm just gonna copy and paste that over here. That's the simple method which people use for to duplicate a page. And this is good, this is not bad, don't get me wrong, but it takes time and it's very time consuming. And I think changing page uh after every single thing you copy, and if you copy all of the things and pasting all those over here, it's kind of not that good in my opinion. And if you want to find a solution, I am here to tell you. So this is a way, this is the one way which you can do, but it takes so much time, right? But there is one more way, like people also use that, and I would like to tell you that most of the people go with like log into their WordPress dashboard. Obviously, you will end up at the dashboard and then pages again, and they click on edit, and what they do, like they click on the copy to a new draft button in the publish box and on the right side of the screen, right? And after that, they will come back over here. They find that new draft page that has been created with the same content of the original page. Like if I go at about again, and on the top right corner you will find copy to a new draft. It will create whole page a copy as a draft. That won't be counted as a page. That would be your draft, which you can then edit the new draft page and publish it as a separate page on your website. So like you liked about page, the all the theme and every single thing, and you just want to add some similar things on your cart page. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy to this whole new draft, and after that just change some things from the card things, and you can just create a new card page from about. So this is also one way to do that. So these two options are out there. There is one more option out there which is very useful in my opinion, and most of the people should do that. So what is that? You can just go ahead and add a plugin for that. So obviously for plugin, you just need to navigate plugin and click on add new. Once you click on that, it will take you to the store, like over here on the top right corner, search plugins. You can just search that plugin which I'm going to tell you, which is duplicate page. Simple, right? Duplicate page. And once you search that, and you will see that you have so much options over there, like the WP, duplicate page and post, duplicate page or post, all those options. But there's only one, in my opinion, is so good, which is the first one. And you can see that 2+ million active installation have been using this duplicate page, compatible with your device. And if you want to see that it is compatible with the version or not. So it is by MNDP Singh 287, and if you click on more details, you will see like why this is so important. So first of all, user roles, key features in duplicate page pro edition. So there's also pro edition, which I will show you later on, but right now just leave this. And right now you can see the minimum requirements for this, that WordPress 3.3 plus version, PHP 5.x, and MySQL 5.x. So most of the people do have that, those things. So why this is so important, right? So let's just keep this on, and I'm just going to install this. It would take some time, but not that much. I'm just going to activate it, and it has been activated. So if you go at the pages now, and if you hover over it, you can see there is one more option over here, duplicate this. You can see there is one more option over here, duplicate this. So you can see that you can just easily, with the one tap, you don't need to open two separate pages and copy to paste that, or you can just click on about page and go to the top right corner and say that save this as a draft. You just need to click on duplicate this, and once you click on that, you can see it has been drafted automatically, and it's on the top. You can see this is the duplicate one, and you can just go ahead and obviously go ahead and start editing. So this is very useful uh plugin in my opinion, and most of the people are using it. Obviously 2 million plus people are using this, so obviously it means a lot. And you can see how quick it was, right? I think in just 5 seconds it has been created. So right now I'm just going to delete it because I don't need a new page, right? So let's see what is, what does pro have, duplicate project pro have, and what it does for you. So there's a lot of things. You can see that you can post type settings for, all those stuff, uh set default prefix and suffix. So this is all on you features, and this is what we were looking for. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so you can see both of them and compare it to each other. So duplicate is the most extensible WordPress plugin. You can see if you have pro version, you can use it for one site license, and lifetime validity allows user to role to access duplicate page, allow post type selection, option to select where to show duplicate page link, option to select duplicate page status, option to redirect after click on clone link, option to change duplicate post link data, option to add uh, post prefix like we said that above, and suffix, and 24/7 support. So this is all available in $15 for one side only. So this is how they are charging for you. And for 10 sites, same things but more options, and 10 sites for $100. So this is the pricing they are offering only for pro version, and obviously you can just use free as much as you want. And pro version have multiple features like allow user to role to exit duplicate page, um, option to select duplicate post data. So these are very important too. For some people these are important too, so I just wanted to mention these all. So that's how you know how to duplicate a page in WordPress, and it's very easy. As you can see, there are three ways I have just told you, but the easiest one is this one. I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below if you have any queries, if you want to ask something about related to this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.